Life is not a straight road, but a winding journey filled with lessons, pauses, and unexpected turns. It teaches us through both joy and struggle, shaping who we become with every experience. Sometimes we chase dreams, and sometimes we simply learn to breathe through difficult moments, but each phase has its own meaning. Growth often comes quietly, in the form of patience, resilience, and self-understanding. In the end, life is less about reaching a perfect destination and more about embracing the process, valuing the people we meet, and finding purpose in even the smallest moments.